Every day, new coins are entering the market. But what about the older ones? Are they worthless or should we all move our portfolio with new coins? That's a big question. But being your friend, it's on me to aware you regarding recent changes in market. That's why in this video we are going to check one old coin, and at the end of the video I will share my own price prediction about this coin. Also we are going to check out XRP. Either XRP is good to hold or this altcoin. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us. Feel uninvited. You guessed it right. Apollo has everything to power an entire economy and nearly every department of government, e-government and national payment platform. The best part of APL that many countries are interested in implementing the national payment platform. Actually, there is more demand than the team can handle at the moment. If a tiny nation adopts the Apollo blockchain, then the daily transactions were above than Bitcoin and ERC20. However, unlike Bitcoin, these transactions will be for everyday purchases, anything from milk to rent or to paying their cell phone bills. We already saw a pump in XRP. Now I'm going to share something about XRP. We already saw a huge pump in XRP price. Still, it's under the radar of SEC. Here you can see on the CoinGecko. Basically, they mention all the things, and also in this main blog you can read all the things about the SEC charges which basically they took on XRP. But this pump is nothing in front of APL coin, because APL is fast, secure, and best thing that the transaction fee of the APL blockchain are entirely low at the moment. And as I said, if even a small nation adopt the APL blockchain, then daily transaction of APL will be higher than BTC ERC20 and also even better and faster than BSC scan. The best part about the Apollo currency that it has accomplished its goal to become the world's fastest the cryptocurrency with a sustainable blockchain, as well as one of the most feature rich. Right now at this time, if you want to buy this coin, simply you can buy the coin directly from the Bitmart exchange. It is available in BTC pair, Ethereum pair, and also in USDT pair. Now I'm going to click over here on the Bitmart exchange. Simply you can sign up on the Bitmart exchange, then you have to deposit some amount of BTC, Ethereum or USDT, and you can purchase the coin directly from this exchange. It's the best part for you. And for example, I'm not going to say a huge amount, but seriously, if you are going to invest only $150 at the moment, you will get up to 18,323 tokens. And as the team is mentioning this thing again and again in their Twitter forms, and also every day they are talking about this in their personal Telegram discussion group, that they are in discussion with different nations. So if even a single nation is going to adopt this coin APL, then as per my own idea, this coin will reach up to minimum $5 or $6. So this $150 will give you at least 9,000 to 10,000 if you are going to hold this token right now. It's the best moment for all of you, so you can hold this coin right now. What you think about the price idea of the Apollo coin? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.